Hello, and welcome to day 3 of the 7-day beginner yoga challenge. Today we're going to be focusing on opening up the chest. We're going to start off in easy seat. You could choose to sit on a pillow or a blanket to help with your posture. Our legs cross together, elongating our spine, imagining a string at the top of our crown, pulling us up. Breathing into the sides of our rib cage. Inhaling. Exhaling, releasing the tension. Using our breath to connect with our body, to center our mind. Notice how your body is feeling. So interlace both our fingers together, press the palms forward, dip the chin, round our spine. Inhale, focus on that 360 breathing. Exhale, relax. Inhale, expand the rib cage. Exhale, relax. Inhale, bring our palms up, pressing our palms up towards the ceiling, relaxing our shoulders. Inhale, taking notice of how our ribcage expands. Exhale, taking notice. Now we're going to go over to the right side. Inhale. Feel that nice stretch on the left side of your body. Feeling the ribcage expand. Inhale. Shift it over to the left side. Exhale, remembering to relax the shoulders. Inhale, noticing how the right side of the rib cage expands. Exhale, good. Inhale back up to center. Release your hands, shake your arms out, release the tension. Now we're going to interlace our hands behind our back, squeezing our palms together, pulling our shoulders back, slightly lifting our chin, opening up our chest. Really feel your shoulders getting pulled, chest opening up. Inhale, expanding the rib cage. Exhale, releasing that tension, releasing all that no longer serves you. Inhale, release the hands, shake out the hands again. Now make your way over to your tabletop position, knees on the ground, hands on the ground, knees hip distance apart. Bring both the big toes together to touch. Push your seat back to rest on your heels for our child's pose. Extending your arms forward, palms facing down, walking your fingers forward. Now begin to walk your hands over to the right side. Inhale, expand your rib cage, feeling that stretch in the left side of your body. Exhale, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your body, just allowing gravity to take over. Taking notice of how your upper body feels. Taking notice of how your hips feel. Noticing where you're holding on to tension and stress. Inhale, let's walk our hands over to the left side. Exhale, relaxing our body into the mat. Inhale, expanding the right side of our body, noticing the space expanding. Exhale, relaxing into the mat, releasing the tension we're holding on to. Inhale, walk your hands back to center. Allow yourself to sink into the mat. Take notice of how your body's feeling. Take notice of your palms touching the mat, your knees touching the mat. From here, we're going to get into our puppy pose. So come back up to tabletop position, knees under the hips, wrists under the shoulders. Keeping your hips directly over your knees, begin to walk your hands out in front of you on the mat. If it feels comfortable, bring your chin to the mat or relax your forehead to the ground. Keep your fingers spread wide, engage the arms, and keep them long. Begin to open your upper body, focusing on your breath, taking notice of your breath in this posture, taking notice of how you feel, bringing your awareness to the present moment. Pushing your palms into the mat, shifting your weight forward, hips come down to the ground, forehead comes down to the ground, palms on the mat directly beneath your shoulders. Your fingertips should be pointing toward the front of the room, and the tops of the feet pressing into the mat, keeping them as far apart as comfortably for your back. Inhale, press into the mat, lift the top torso upward off the mat. Open the chest upward, drawing your shoulders away from your ears. Pelvis and thighs remain on the mat. Look over your right shoulder, focusing on your breath, expanding the rib cage, releasing tension. Inhale, look over your left shoulder. Exhale, releasing tension. Inhale, bring yourself back to center. Exhale, forehead comes to the mat. Press into the mat. Bring our weight over our feet. Sitting on our heels, lengthening our spine. For a brief moment. From here, come up onto your knees. We're going to go into a slight camel variation. Take both your hands, place them on your lower back. Press into your lower back. Really open up your chest. Feel your shoulders being pulled back. Slightly try to bring your elbows closely to the center, just to allow the stretch to unfold the upper body. Focus on the breath. Inhale, expanding the rib cage. Exhale, releasing the tension in your shoulders. Let everything unfold. Good. Use your core to bring yourself back to center. Release your hands from your lower back. Place your hands in front of you to get back into tabletop. Knees below your hips, hands below your shoulders. From here, we're going to finish off with child's pose, except this time we're going to try to make our knees as wide as the mat. The big toes touching if that's what allows you, and having the option to use a towel under your knees if that's what helps. Shift your weight over your heels and allow your body to sink into the mat. From here, you could stack both fists together on top of one another and allow your forehead to rest on the fists. If your forehead is able to touch the mat, you could place both of your hands into a diamond shape with your forehead resting on the mat. And if child's pose is uncomfortable for you, it's okay to lie down on your back and relax. and focus on relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your body, reflecting on how you felt throughout your practice. Focus on just being, taking notice of your thoughts, allowing your mind to wander, allowing your mind to just be. Now bring your attention back to your breath, using it as an anchor to relax you, to center your mind. Connecting with your breath, connecting with your body, connecting with who you are. Allow everything to unfold. Stay here as long as you'd like. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you on the mat for our next practice. Hello. I hope you're in a nice state right now, feeling better than you did before this practice. I just wanted to remind you to gently hit that like button and subscribe button, and to not forget to sign up below to get the 7-day calendar and email tips that go along with these videos. Take care.